Productivity SA Competitiveness Improvement Services Program. Productivity SA is a Schedule 3A public entity of the Department of Employment and Labour with the mandate to promote employment growth and productivity, thereby contributing to South Africa's socio-economic development and competitiveness. Our value proposition is to provide productivity and competitiveness improvement solutions to enhance the productivity and operational efficiency of enterprises throughout the business lifecycle to accelerate the creation of wealth and decent work. Productivity SA's Competitiveness Improvement Services Program focuses on creating an enabling environment conducive to entrepreneurship and sustainable enterprises that can create productive employment and decent work. The South African economy is made up of 2.36 million SMMEs, of which over 650,000 of them are in the formal economy and the remaining 1.58 million in the informal economy. CIS supports South Africa's strategic objectives in scaling up efforts to promote long-term industrialization and transformation of the economy and to achieve a productive high-income economy which is globally competitive. Competitiveness Improvement Services enhances the appropriate capacities of SMMEs and cooperatives to adopt world-class productivity enhancement best practices, focusing on products, processes, and people. The SMMEs and cooperatives, especially those in the productive sectors with strong growth and employment multipliers within the priority sectors, are targeted. CIS prioritizes the participation of historically disadvantaged people and regions in the economy and therefore support meaningful BBEE using instruments such as special economic zones, industrial parks, and black industrialists' interventions. Linked to the reimagined industrial strategy and the sector master plans, the following sectors have been prioritized. Industrial sectors: automotive, clothing, textile, leather and footwear, gas, chemicals and plastics, renewables or green economy, steel and metal fabrication, agriculture and agro-processing, creative sector, and the oceans economy. The Competitiveness Improvement Services Program objectives are to develop the skills of SMMEs in order to establish, grow and sustain their businesses to have an impact in the local economy, to ultimately focus on improving productivity and competitiveness of these enterprises and make them sustainable, and to initiate a journey towards improved service delivery, profitability, and organizational competitiveness. CIS programs provide support for emerging and stable businesses. In the emerging sector, small and micro enterprises, we focus on training programs and solutions, including mentorship and coaching. Trainings range from productivity awareness, learning to measure and manage, business performance improvement workshops focus on improving profitability and employment creation through wastage elimination, increased sales, reduced operational costs through speed and quality improvement, maximized profits, and creating an early warning system to detect distress prior to its arrival. The outcome is to promote a productivity culture and mindset as well as driving accountability for productivity performance at enterprise, sectoral, and national levels. We further aligned ourselves to the district development model, whereby we capacitate productivity champions, ensuring there is support through stakeholders and other key partners within all districts of South Africa. In the stable businesses, small, medium and large corporations or enterprises, the Department of Trade, Industry and Competition fund interventions which includes the Kaizen program and the Workplace Challenge program. The Kaizen program is a 4 to 6 months intervention and consists of the following implementation stages. Phase 1. Baseline assessment and capacity building. Phase 2. process analysis and project identification. Phase 3, implementation, and Phase 4, performance monitoring or impact analysis. The Kaizen program's aim is to introduce the key concepts and tools of Kaizen, to identify Kaizen champions and capacitate the champions with tools, to create active participation, to facilitate problem-solving techniques aimed at improving key performance indicators such as cost, quality, speed, delivery, morale, and safety, and to define key activities to drive continuous improvement. The Workplace Challenge Program is implemented over a 12-month period and is a Department of Trade, Industry and Competition supply-side program managed by Productivity SA. The Workplace Challenge Program utilizes the following toolkit modules. Toolkit 1, Goal Alignment. Toolkit 2, Cleaning and Organizing. Toolkit 3, Teamwork. And Toolkit 4, Leadership. The program assists South African organizations to enhance productivity and competitiveness by improving workplace relations, by implementing world-class practices or best operating practices, and by sharing and disseminating experiences. The key strategies of best practice organizations are to implement leadership practices that promote teamwork, collective participation, continuous learning, and flexibility, to focus on simultaneous improvement of quality, speed or delivery, cost, and morale, to establish close links with customers and suppliers, to drive both linear and non-linear improvement initiatives, and to eliminate all forms of waste and making value flow. The Competitiveness Enhancement Program implements productivity and competitiveness enhancement initiatives, with the focus on operational efficiency within exporting or potential export clients. The Emerging Exporters Program is a 6-month intervention, and the Large Exporters Program is 10 months. The focus is on productivity and innovation, value chain efficiency, as well as export market access through clustering of enterprises. The aim of the Competitiveness Enhancement Program is to increase the competitiveness of South African enterprises, to assist enterprises to overcome the challenge of entry in the global market, and to become more productive and competitive. Some of the outcomes of the programs are to improve productivity, to improve operational efficiency by improving resource utilization, reducing cost, eliminating waste, improve quality and profitability, as well as to sustain and create jobs. Productivity SA's enterprise development and support programs, with the focus on SMMEs, aid in improving the competitiveness and sustainability of these enterprises. This is in line with Productivity SA's mandate of promoting employment growth and productivity, thereby contributing to South Africa's socio-economic development and competitiveness.